2012. It started in last year 2012. And what we have done with Alphametrix, we have taken the metadata 4 pre-selling license, and then we have done tie-up with NSE and MCX. Then we have made Alphametrix MT4 software. That is a metadata 4 application. As Mr. Rajendra was discussing in depth about metadata 4 features, the benefits of it, like custom indicators, open source, there is a big community, so you can get lots of information and knowledge from Google. It's free, and it's free. You can go through the brief. It's like it started in 2012. We are the one single company, I can say, like we are a single company where we have people from the real market. Our CEO, Mr. Kishore, is having a very good experience, more than 15 years of trading in the stock trading. So he is a professional trader. Then Mr. Abhishek Mukherjee, he is a professional trader, professional analyst, well-known person in Bangalore market. He is a trainer for Bangalore Stock Exchange, IAM, and lots of seminars he used to doing it for us as a freelancer as well as. We have certain other people also, those who are experienced in softwares, especially in technical analysis softwares. I have very few years of experience only in this software field. Then now, with the help of metadata 4, what else we have done after making the Alphametrix MT4 software? We have developed some certain strategies like rainbow chart. Anybody has heard about rainbow chart? Rainbow chart. Rainbow chart is a type of chart which basically, I'll go directly to the software feature. I will not go in detail about because that will be a boring thing for you. Might be a boring thing for you people. Because that has already been discussed by Mr. Rajendra. Rainbow chart. Basically, rainbow chart is a type of chart which moves with the price movements. Moves. Only depending upon the price. Not on the time. Generally, the time chart, generally the chart which we follow, it's a time-based chart. Means if you are using 5 minutes candle or maybe 15 minutes candle, every candle will be formed if the time is changed from 9, consider for example 9:15 to 9:20. If you are following a time period chart, then one candle will be formed. Every 5 minutes, one next candle will be formed, whether the market is moving or not moving. It's basically a normal candlestick chart or maybe bar chart or line chart we use. That is time period chart. Whenever the time is changing, then the price will change. We never make money. We don't make money when the time is changing. We only make money when the price is changing. Am I correct? Like if the Nifty move from 6,100 to 6,400, and if we have the long with us, we have bought one lot or maybe 10 lots, then only we will make money. We will not make money if the time is changing from 9:50 to 3:30. So that is the thing that we have done. We have done rainbow chart, which is only depending upon the price. If the price will change, then only the candle will be formed. So the major advantage is it will help you to reduce the false signals, because if the price is not moving and the candles are getting formed, then the false signals will be keep coming around. And that is the point where we make losses. I'm completely agree. I'm not saying only profit. There are losses as well as like with the profit. Losses are there. False signals will be there. I'm not saying only good signals or only profitable trades will be there. False signals will be there. But the benefit is we can reduce the losses. We can go with like when the false signals will come, you can only lose 50, 20 points, 25 points. But when the trades are coming, you can make good amount of money. And all those losses means if it is consecutive losses also, 2 times, 3 times, it might come. But every time it will come for 20 points, 30 points only. This is Nifty chart. This is the by default PPT which we have made, I think, long back. This is gold. I can show you the software as well. But I will not take more questions because we don't have time. Because some people were asking during the breaks, like they want to see the software. I'm just showing the software. And after making Rainbow, there was still some problems with the client. So we have been trying to improvise that Rainbow in a much better way. So we have come with a hybrid Rainbow. I'll show you the Rainbow also with some other script. Like this is Nifty. This is silver. This is Rainbow charts. I'll just one second. Audible? Yes. See, this is rainbow chart. I am saying it's a normal rainbow chart where the time is changing, then the candles is getting formed. We have plotted super trend on it. So all these buy signals and all are there. See, basically the whole idea of making this was like, if you are only like, there was a time when the technical analysis software, maybe MT4 or maybe any other software you take, was used by only technical analysts. They used for giving signals, SMSs. That time has gone. Now everybody, whoever is trading, they want to see their own trades. They want to check, okay, I'm making mistake or it's doing right. Or whatever I'm trading, everybody is trying to learn. When I started my career, I got into the company name. So I started my career as a marketing executive for some company who was selling this particular kind of software. I was going to the market, if I am meeting 10 people, I was getting one guy who was knowing about technical analysis. I repeat, knowing about technical analysis, that means they know there are something called this kind of charts. Now if you go to 10 people, there are 8 people, those who are using the software. Leave 10, at least 8 people are there. Now this software has been made for the clients. Means any individual, those who can use the software. Those who can directly use the software, they should not be depending upon
use the mic.
Not audible.
No, not audible.
Now this particular system has been decided and defined for the individual based on the individual's requirement. That's why we have come with the rainbow charts. After that, based on the client's feedback, we have improvised into hybrid rainbow. Hybrid rainbow is something called, which is more smooth than blank. Which is more, is it audible? Because I am not comfortable with that. Yes. Why, right?
Switch off that.
Sorry?
Switch off that.
Switch off that. See, the thing is, like, this whole software has been designed based on this rainbow. The rainbow is, there are so many whipsaws. Market is coming down, also this kind of whipsaws will be there. So for removing those whipsaws or making more smoothed chart, we have come with hybrid rainbow. Hybrid rainbow, I can show it here in bold. We have not plotted much indicators on it, but it is more smoothed than anything. Here also you can see the loss signals are there. I'm not saying this is a live software. There is nothing bad in this. But loss signals are there. But loss signals will be only for this kind of thing. So maybe this trade you can see it's a loss trade. But again, after every big trade, there is a normal market rule. After every big trade, there will be a small whipsaw kind of thing where you cannot make money. Here, this kind of things will be there, but you will be able to easily identify them. That's the second indicator which we have come with. Then, the other indicators, like one more sheet I would like to show, which has the complete. This is a comparison between hybrid rainbow and normal rainbow. There is no indicator plotted on it. Rainbow is not at all an indicator, it's a chart type. So you can plot any type of indicator on it, whichever you are familiar. I am thinking, or maybe our technical team is thinking, okay, this super trend, or maybe there are some set of indicators which is working better. If you think any particular indicator which you like to work with, then that also you can plot it. I'll tell you because it's a price depending charts. So when you are plotting trend lines, resistance support lines, or like Fibonacci retracements, those points will be more accurate than the time dependent chart, because all these three things, so maybe there are certain other levels also, all these things are dependent on price, they are not dependent upon time. So easily you can read about it, you can go to Google, type rainbow chart, and read lots of documents which you can go through. Everywhere it is written the resistance lines and all will be more accurate. So when you are fixing your targets, here we are not suggesting, okay, you should fix the target or maybe you should fix the stop loss. The whole idea, what I am trying to communicate is follow the system, follow the signals, which Mr. Rajendra was also saying. Set up your system in terms of, okay, which indicator you are going to follow or which script you are going to trade. Here if you start trying 10 different scripts, every day one different, new different scripts. Or maybe today somebody is giving me, or maybe some tool is giving me a pop-up kind of thing, okay, on this particular script you try. That is a completely wrong way of doing it. There are so many comments upon that, and there is only, for seeing it, it looks good. When you are seeing, okay, some scanner is there which is scanning and giving you the pop-ups. But actually if you think, or maybe if you try to work on it, it doesn't work. When you are following, see, making money is same if you are making from Bank Nifty or Nifty, or maybe one particular script is valid for normal, signed by Indian government. Sorry, Reserve Bank of India government. So what Mr. Rajendra was trying to say, or what I am with the software, with the help of the software, what I am trying to communicate is fix your scripts, fix your strategy, whatever strategy. This MT4 is the best software if you want to try your own strategies as well, or maybe if you want to try some customized indicators as well. So try on this, and then decide fix one strategy, fix one script, or maybe two scripts. Make your capital to make your sustainable enough for consecutive losses. If you are having 25,000 rupees, and if you are trying to take maybe 35,000 or maybe 50,000 rupees, if you are trying to take one lot of Nifty also, one or maybe three bad signals has come consecutively, you will not be able to take the next trade, which might be giving you a better profit. So that kind of things that we are suggesting, we have a set of pattern where we are saying this, you should fix your capital also before investing. This particular strategy will be helping you trading. Anybody who doesn't know technical analysis also, there is one client, he was supposed to come today, but he has not come. He is not knowing technical analysis at all, not even stock market knowledge. He just joined, I think 8-9 months back. He was associated with us for some other work, and now he told, I want to start the trading. So we told, okay, you try this software with rainbow chart. Then he started trading, started taking one lot, he is having some 1 lakh rupees investment. From initially there was a time when he was making losses because of his own ideas, okay, he was started feeling about the market. Market will doesn't kick back, that's the problem. So when you are using the software, he started following whatever things. It takes time because that is not the general thing that which we do. We try to utilize our brain, we think, okay, we are the better, we are a brilliant person. So since he started following the software, he started making money. I'm not saying he is making a huge amount of money or he has become a crorepati kind of. But in the market, as we all know, if you are not making losses also, that's also a profit. It's not making a kind of 50% return, or even I am not promising any kind of things where you are coming to us, or maybe joining our trading analysis courses, or maybe live market trading courses, or maybe you are taking our software. We are not telling you to, okay, we'll give you a certain amount of returns. That is a completely wrong way of pitching the product, or maybe selling this product. Any kind of product. We are not trying to fool you anything. Point is, it will help you in understanding your trades. You understand your trades, then you take it. Or anybody can take it. Maybe consider what your clients, or maybe you are not having time. You want to tell somebody to see the charts and take the trades. In that way that it can help. It doesn't require much kind of knowledge as well as a kind of supercomputer. There are softwares which, if you will start the software, it will hang the system if you are not having a supercomputer. It is a normal requirement of normal 256 MB RAM and 40 GB hard disks, Pentium core basic system. Anybody is having, whoever is trading, their only terminals are running on the system. So that things you can, on that particular system, you can easily run the software. So when you are running this hybrid Renko or this super trade or maybe this particular MT4 software, it is easily anybody can use. So that's the point which I am trying to communicate. So try this. Then other strategies which we are having, there is one more thing that is more smoothing than this hybrid Renko as well. The difference with these Renkos are making the position of making the next candle. If you go back to the previous page, here, this particular thing is the normal Renko. Every next candle is starting from either from high point or from low point. In a hybrid Renko, it is starting from the in between. Then in the flexi Renko, you can say the turbo Renko, it is starting from more lower side. So it is a smoothened one. So obviously the false signals, and in this particular chart, in this particular picture, there is no indicator applied. This is the basic Renko chart. So my concept is simple. When price is moving, then only we are making. So why to follow time-based chart? Why not price-based chart? Some people might be thinking, okay, it's a very old strategy. Renko chart is not developed by me. Renko chart is what we have done. We have developed the Renko chart on MT4. Or we are not giving the which Ajita was talking about repainting indicators. There is no repainting indicators here. If the signal has come and if the candle is done, then only you can take the trade, which is from the next candle. After that, signal will not change. And that we have tested in our office. We have kept with our own dealers, or maybe somebody who can trade on behalf of us with our own money. They were taking trades. They have made profit for 6 months. So no backtesting thing we have done. We have tested in the live market. So that's why we are coming with live market classes, technical analysis courses with money management around. Those things nobody teach. Nobody teaches that money management or maybe position sizing and all. We are having a 8 hours class in our office, so you can come down anytime. Our office in Ulsan Garden. You can collect our numbers. So, and live market trading is simply like 5 days we will be trading with you. Our experts will be trading, taking positions in our account. He can show the profit. If he is not showing the profit, you can take the money back. And the charges are also 6,000, 5,000 and all. There is nothing very huge charges we are asking for. 5,000, 6,000, anybody can give. So the whole idea of ours is we are bringing the software and this kind of trainings which is really useful for the clients in trading for everybody. That's the idea. Then there is one more strategy, one more indicator, is a positional based. There are some people, or maybe anybody in whatever, almost 80%, 90% of people are there, those who are not, like they might be saying, okay, I am a hardcore intraday trader, but I personally believe everybody should have some position or some investment kind of positions. So for those traders, this particular indicator is there, which is on a daily chart, you can use it. That is giving you a nice signals. There is no name for this indicator. We have given positional trading system. Positional trading system. It's there in our website. If you go to our website www.alphametrix.in, there is a learning center page. You can go to that events page. Complete strategies are there. Free But that might not be that correct. Basically, see, rainbow charts will work better when you are using that particular thing in the high volatile script or high beta stocks. Because those scripts will be moving faster. And here, if you really work on rainbow, why I was saying, okay, you fix your scripts. You will not be able to take trades if you are falling 5 or maybe 10. Because the signals will be considered when the buy signal has come in gold. At the same time, or maybe almost at the same time, the buy signal will come in silver also. Either you need to take the trade in gold or silver, or maybe those two you can manage if you are really fast in punching orders. Now, when you are using 10 lot of scripts, so you will be making mistakes in it. You will be not entering at the right point, which is more important. Sometimes what happens with our excitement or maybe to have the feeling, okay, I am a trader, I am ready, we forget our main objective. The main objective of ours is like to make money, it's not to just get the excitement. So this kind of strategies can help you. Anything you want to ask about Renko or maybe the software? Not good. Mr. Javed question is the price is monthly, annually. They repeat, sir, it's not time dependent chart, it's price dependent chart. So there is no time here. You cannot say it's a monthly chart or a hourly chart at all. He's asking the cost of the software. The cost of the software is 1,500 rupees per month. We have the quarterly and yearly options also. And it's 1,500 rupees plus service tax per segment. Per segment, we are providing 3 segments: NSE futures, commodity, physics commodity, and this currency. So each segment will be charged 1,500 rupees per month. Options we don't have right now, but we in 10-15 days we will be adding 10 scripts. 3 strike price down and 3 strike price down. So there will be near about 60.
What is the size of the trade? Hybrid Renko and extra charge? Yes, sir.
Hybrid Renko and the positional strategy, there is one more strategy which I will be showing, that pair trading and all, that is chargeable. It is additional charge. But normal Renko we are giving with the software. This till now this hybrid Renko was not at all given to anybody. Not a single demo has been given. Mr. Madhusudan who has come here, he is not using hybrid Renko. He is using normal Renko. So normal Renko also, I am not saying it's a bad thing or maybe. Completely usable, you can make profit out of it. But some people, those who are really worrying about it, maybe they don't want to take all the trades or maybe they don't bother about like, okay, paying some extra money and get some better thing. They can try hybrid Renko also. It's a yearly subscription with 5,000 rupees per year. It's buy selling signal only, you can say. But I am not selling as this particular software as a buy sell indicator kind of. What I am trying to say, it's a type of chart. You first read it, or maybe you learn it from outside or from Google and learn it, or learn it from us. Then you try to apply it. Because simply if you will start trying, experimenting with it, it might not be so successful for you. So buy and sell signals you can generate. Obviously, we have plotted Renko chart. If you plot this super trend on it, it will give you arrow marks, sell here, or maybe candle color is changing. That is more than enough to see. Yes, madam.
Whether this works for options?
Options it will not work, but Nifty futures, consider Nifty call option or put option if you want to take the trade. At the money call basically. So what I suggest, you do like you plot Renko chart on Nifty futures. If Nifty futures is giving you a buy, then you buy call option. If it is giving sell, is a buy put option. That way you can do. But you should go with only at the money call output. If you go above or down, the volatility will not be that much, so it will not move.
See, the rainbow charts will show that it is down, right? But the price would have really gone down much below that because the box will fill only when the price is completely filled up, right? So you will say that it is red, but actually the price would have already gone much below or much above before the box is already filled.
His question is basically how the rainbow charts will be formed. The point here is rainbow charts, there is some calculation on it. So if the consider price is going above than the higher point, high of the candle or low of the candle, then the next candle will be formed. Here there is one more thing. You should not be, this kind of trades will be coming. Consider sale has come, then again it has gone up and then it has gone down. So those kind of things will come. If you will use more longer box sizes, the parameters of rainbow, then this kind of movements will not be there. Consider this. So you can smoothen it by increasing the box sizes. Box sizes, using box sizes, there is no formula as such. You just need to see different box sizes, or maybe you can go with our suggestions what we are doing, because we have tested. See, the thing is here, what his point is like how to identify from this point, okay, what kind of candle it is. See, normally candle definition which we are using till now, it is it's a red candle, so it's a bearish candle. If it is a green candle, it's a bullish candle. That is a normal candlestick chart. So if you want to see both the things together, you might get confused, but okay, you can try it with some other window. You can use multiple windows also. So like this, you can apply different windows, 2-3 charts, and check it. Okay, how when the sell is coming on rainbow chart, how is the actual candle? But that is not important if you are making, I think, the money.
But can we see the backtesting of the report?
So this question is about the backtesting. We cannot do backtesting on it. The problem is it's a offline chart. In MT4 you cannot backtest the offline chart. We are trying to get it. If we can get it, then I will update you. But one second, sir. What I am saying, like we have tested in the live market with the clients. Clients are using from last I think 7-8 months. Clients are using. They are making money. We have also tested with our money. We have accounts have been closed. Accounts have been closed in profit. I am not saying it's a everyday profit kind of thing, but it's a profitable trade.
Basically, there is no time frame in the range. You don't see the time frame there at all.
Yes, there is no time frame. So I think these questions are done. If any further questions are there, you can write us. Or maybe you can take our card from that registration counter or maybe from me. We can help you there. Or maybe you can go to our website, alphametrix.in and detail. Now, Mr.